Morning YouTube, this is Michael, back again at Oakley Auto Detailing. Today I'm going to do a comparison side by side on two tire shines I like to use. So what I did last night was I went to the junkyard, got me an old tire. I'm going to hose it off, clean it up, tape it in half, and we'll see what these two look like together. Start with some Chemical Guys all-purpose cleaner. Let's kind of clean this up real quick. Start fresh. Close that up real quick. Alright. Now that we got that done, I'm going to take it off the hand. Alright, so the two I'm comparing to today is the Chemical Guys Nice and Wet Shine. It's a spray shine and protection. Actually not that bad. I use this on my oversized tires on my personal truck. And then we also now have from Chemical Guys, it's called Tire Kicker Tire Shine. It comes with an extra shiny tire shine and a UV blocker. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to dry this tire off, spray both of these. I'm going to put one on one side, one on the other side. See what it looks like. Alright, just going to dry the tire off real quick. I'm going to add the Nice and Wet Tire Shine on this side. Now I'm going to add Ultra Shine on the other side. Wow. I don't know if the camera can pick it up or not, but the Ultra Shine is extremely shinier than this side. On the Ultra Shine, when I was reading the back of it, once it dries, it's dry to the touch, dressing, as it states. This one here, I put this on my truck. It is also, when it's dry, it does not splatter all over the side of my white bed. You know, the white, I have a white truck, so it does not go all over the place. At least I don't see it. But comparing to the two, this one can also be used in your engine compartment. A lot of plastics, wheel wells. This one can also, and like I said, I was using this one for the longest time on my oversized tires. I like that, but for Ultra Shiny, is definitely a lot shinier than this one. They both are very good products, as you can see for yourself. And compare the two. Here. Let's see the shininess. Alright, I'm going to have some more comparisons, videos coming up pretty soon. I'm going to move to the interior ones coming up. So make sure you subscribe, like my video. Thanks for watching.